learners! Welcome sa isa na namang episodes na punong-puno ng kaalaman, mundo ng numbers at inyong pag-uusapan. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Halina't matuto! Are you ready for another fun-filled discussion? By the way, I am your math teacher for this day. I am Ma'am Paes. Get your learner's packet, answer sheet and ballpen, and stay tuned in another exciting Grade 8 Mathematics lesson. Only here in HALINA'T MATH-TUTO sa Dasmariñas North National High School. Good morning, Grade 8 learners. Welcome to Lesson 8 of Mathematics Q1. Solutions of systems of linear equation in two variables. Our lesson objectives. First, solve system of linear equation in two variables by graphing, substitution, and elimination. The next objective, solve problems involving systems of linear equation in two variables. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let us have a short review. In your previous lesson, you find an ordered pair that satisfies the given equation in two variables. And this ordered pair is what we call the solution. Example, quantity 5, 3 is a solution of the given equation x plus y equals 8 and x minus y equals 2. When you substitute the value of x, which is 5, and the value of y, which is 3, that will give you equals to 8. And also in the second equation, when you use the value of x, which is 5 also, and subtract or minus y, which is 3, that will give you 2. Again, so we have the parallel lines, we have the intersecting line, and the last one we have is coinciding. Okay, so in there we have a system of linear equation contains two or more equations, and the solution is an ordered pair that satisfies the given equation in two variables. Okay, so now let's start with our lesson by finding the solutions of system of linear equations. So after having a short review with regards to the solution, with the definition of the solutions, and what is the categorizes of the solutions, now we're going to find the solution of the system of linear equation first by graphing. How are you going to graph? So example, although this graphing is already discussed by our previous lesson, so let us have another or continuation of the lesson. Graph the equation in coordinate plane. So as you will see, we have two equations here. Negative 2x plus y equals 2, and the other one, negative x plus y is equals to negative 1. Paano ito i-graph? Okay? So, when you have these two equations, we can graph this first by slope or the y-intercept, or changing the equation into slope-intercept form. So how are we going to use this slope-intercept form? So as you will see, we have negative 2x plus y equals 2, negative x plus y equals negative 1. To change this into slope-intercept, so kailangan sa left side, matitira lang dyan is y. Slope-intercept is y is equals to mx plus b. So, paano siya magiging y is equals to mx plus b? That will be happen by adding both sides. So sa our first equation, we have the negative 2x plus y. To eliminate this negative 2x, we can add both sides with positive 2x and also 2 plus positive 2x. Is it okay? So what will it be? So it will become y is equals to positive 2x plus 2. So na-eliminate na yung negative 2x dito kasi nag-add tayo ng positive 2x. Okay, and the other one, we have negative x plus y is equals to negative 2. So, kung paano ginawa natin sa first equation, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa second equation. So, we have now y is equals to x minus 1. And to graph this, since you already know how to graph the equations using the slope-intercept, of course, so in graphing y is equals to 2x plus 2, you have to plot first the y, or the y axis, or the y-intercept, which is 2, no? And then, since ang slope natin dito is 2, so ang slope na gagamitin natin, this means 2 over 1 yan. So, after, when you graph, okay, so let us have the graph. Okay, so that is the graph. The red one is, the equation is y is equals to 2x plus 2. And the other one, the blue one, is y is equals to negative 1. So, since, look at the graph, so this is the y-intercept 2, and this is the y-intercept negative 1 on the negative side, and this 2 is on the positive side. So, madaling i-graph kapag naka-slope intercept ka na. Kasi, once you know already the y-intercept, so plot mo na yun doon sa 2. And then, since you have the slope 2, that means you're going up two times from the starting point. So you can go up 2 times, then going to the right, as ang rise over natin, going to the right 1, kasi 2 over 1 yan, automatic ang slope niyan is 2 over 1. So that means ito yung point na yung isa. So from here, so ilaline mo na siya until gano'n din sa kabila. So nag-start ka sa negative 1, and also since positive ang slope niya, so going up 1 and going to the right 1 also. And then connect the lines, connect the points until the line, you have to extend the line for you to be able to reach na magkakaroon sila ng intersection. So, magkakaroon ba sila when you extended both line? Kasi ang line is indefinite siya. You can extend it indefinitely. So, there is the possibility na magkaroon sila ng point of intersection. And that all give you the point of intersection will be here. So, ang x niya is negative 3 and y niya is negative 4. Kasi when you extend both lines, so indefinitely, so there you can find the point of intersection. And that's it. In continuation with the graphing method, let us solve graphically the system of linear equation given 3x plus y equals 3 and 2x negative y equals 2. Okay, we're going to use the other method using the intercepts. Okay, so we have 3x plus y equals 3 and 2x minus y equals 2. If x is equals to 0, then 3 times 0 is plus y is equals to 0. Then y is equals to 3. Next, so we have the solution, which is 0, 3. And then if you're going to solve for x, if y is equals to 0, then 3x plus 0 equals 3. And then x is equals to 1. So our solution is 1, 0. In the next or in another equation, 2x minus y equals 2. Let us make x equals to 0. And then 2 times 0 minus y is 2. And then y is equals to negative 2. Then our solution is 0, negative 2. Okay. We're going to solve for x. We're going to make y equals to 0. And then 2x minus 0 equals 2. And x is equals to 1. Therefore, we have the solution 1, 0. Now, so our graphical method, or our graph illustrates that the point of intersection or the solution is 1, 1, 0. Okay, so that is the solution. Okay, when we say solution, that is the point of intersection. The coordinate of the point of intersection is 1, 0. Okay. Another method that we're going to use is substitution method. How are we going to use the substitution method? Okay, so we're going to solve for the solution of the given system of linear equation. Equation 1, negative 2x plus y equals 2. And equation 2, negative x plus y equals to negative 1. So, how are you going to solve? So, we are going to follow the steps. So, step 1, solve for one variable of the equation. Since we have the x and y, we're going to choose what are we going to make use as a substitution. So, we're going to use equation 2, which is negative x plus y equals to negative 1. So, this will become y is equals to x negative 1. So, transpose negative x to the other side. It will become positive x minus 1. And then we're going to use this as equation 3. Next. So, step 2, substitute the resulting expression into the other equation. So, we're going to substitute the y equals to x negative 1. Substitute negative 2x plus the value of y, which is x negative 1 equals 2. Okay. Then step 3, solve the equation to get the value of the variable. So we're going to solve 2x, negative 2x plus x equals to 2 plus 1. Then negative x is equals to 3. So the value of x is equals to negative 3. Next. Step 4. Substitute the value of any of the original equation to solve the value of x to equation 1. So we have negative 2 multiplied by negative 3 since it is the value of x plus y equals 2. Next, so 6 plus y equals 2. So therefore, y is equals to negative 4. So that's the value of y. Since we have the value of x which is negative 3, then y now is negative 4. So after that, so we're going to write the value. So step 5, write the values from step 3 and 4 as an ordered pair x and y. So the solution set is negative 3 and negative 4. For you to be able to check, and we can check if the solution set satisfies the given equation. So just substitute the value, the x value which is negative 3 and the y value which is negative 4. Okay. So say for example, the equation is negative 2x plus y equals 2. So if we are going to substitute the value of x, so that will become negative 3. So when you multiply negative 3 is positive 2, negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Plus, we're going to substitute the value of y, which is negative 4. So positive 6 plus negative 4 is equals to 2, and that is equals to 2. So it means it's satisfied. So it check. So the solution set is negative 3 and negative 4. Okay, next method that we are going to use is by elimination method. So how are we going to use this elimination method? Again, we're going to follow the steps in solving system equation using elimination method. Okay, step 1, write the system so that the like terms are aligned. See to it that the variable to be eliminated have the same numerical coefficients, otherwise multiply both. Equation 1, example, equation 1, negative 2x plus y equals 2. Equation 2, negative x plus y equals to negative 1. Okay, step 2, eliminate one of the variable and solve for other variable by addition or subtractions. Again, negative 2x plus y equals 2 and negative x plus y equals negative 1. So what are we going to eliminate? Since we have the same, according to step 1, okay, so let us go back with the step 1. So we can eliminate y. So kailangan may matira if in the given equation there you have the same numerical coefficient and the same variable, then you can solve, or you can eliminate it by using addition or subtraction. So what are we going to use to eliminate this y? Since they are both positive, so to make the other one negative, so we can subtract. And when we subtract, we change the subtrahend by we change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay, so we will change this positive y, the subtrahend will, this will become all the subtrahend will, all the variable, or all will be changed. The sign number, or the sign will be changed. If it is negative, will become positive, and if it is positive, will become negative. Okay, so let us try. Subtract the equation since y have the same numerical coefficients. So we have, so if we're going to subtract negative 2x minus x, it will give us negative x, and y minus y, or positive y minus y, will be cancelled, and then 2 minus 1, or 1, 2 minus negative 1 is equals to 3. Okay, always remember, when you multiply negative by negative, it will become positive. And when you multiply negative by positive, it will become negative. So that we have the negative x equals to 3. So the value of x is equals to negative 3. Next, so step 3. Substitute the value solved to any of the original. So we can substitute the value of x. So if you're going to substitute negative 2, so the times x plus y equals 2. The value of x is negative 3. So negative 2 times negative 3 plus y equals 2. Negative 2 times negative 3 is equals to 6 plus y equals 2. Y is equals to 2 minus 6, but we will add to eliminate this 6 on the left side. We're going to add positive. negative 6 both side, left and right side. We're going to add negative 6. So, if you're going to add 6 plus negative 6 will be cancelled. So, ang natira na lang, y. So, y is equals to 2 minus 6. So, therefore, y is equals to negative 4. Okay, next. Write the result in step 2 and 3 as an ordered pair of x and y. And then we can check. So, our solution set is the value of x is negative 3 and negative 4 for y. Okay, the last part is solve problems involving system of linear equation in two variables. How? To solve problems, it is necessary to write the two equations which relate to the unknown quantities. Example, sum of two numbers is 32. Their difference is 20. Find the numbers. Okay, solutions. Let x the larger number and y the smaller number. Okay, so let us create an equation. So since x is the larger number and y is the smaller number, and that is x plus y, according to the statement, the sum of two numbers is 32. So x plus y is equals to 32. And the difference is 20. So x minus y is equals to 20. Okay, so we're going to solve using the elimination method. So x plus y is equals to 32. X minus y equals to 20. What variable are we going to eliminate here? So, since y have different sign, so we can cancel this automatic. And then x plus x is equals to 2x equals to 52. And the value of x is equals to 26. Since we have now the value of x, we're going to find the value of y. So we have the first equation. What is the value of y? So to solve for y, we're going to substitute the value of x for the first equation, which is x plus y equals 32. So the value of x is 26 plus y equals 32. Then y is equals to 6. 32 minus 26 is equals to 6. So now, we can find the numbers. So what are the numbers? So the numbers are x, the larger number is 26, and y, the smaller number, is equals to 6. Since everything is clear, you may start answering now your learning task for the week. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be updated in our latest updates. Ayan, natapos na naman ang isang linggong talakayan. Sa susunod na linggo ulit, dito lamang sa programang punong-puno ng kaalaman, mundo ng numbers, at inyang pag-uusapan. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Halina't matuto!